Hello, friends and professionals. This is the new, actually exciting video, which is actually you can say the promo. So, I would like to add my real-time experience lessons, what I have learned from industry. Okay. So, what I want to do is whatever I remember, whatever my better experience, and how I converted that experience into the strength. Okay. Over the years, sometimes, it takes years, years, hours, hours of hard work. Generally, no one is wanted to prove himself at work at that benchmark. It takes hours and hours of work. Some guys are so smart to pick their choices early of their life. Some guys like me may face a lot of failures. After facing a lot of failures, okay, so never bog down attitude, never bend down attitude, full anger, full fun. People like me, if some people are like me, then it will touch your heart. So from tomorrow onwards, maybe like today only, if I remember something, I will try to add my experience, how it will be helpful to you in real time. Okay. So sometimes it might be technical, sometimes it might be suggestion, because technical means everyone will have different projects, different experiences. How we handle is that matters actually. I'll try to transfer my experience as much as possible. I will do series actually. Basically, I will do series one, experience two, like that. Whenever I remember, I will do it apart from my regular videos. Okay. This is just like a promo. I would like to tell suddenly why this guy is telling all these things all the way like a 580 plus videos. Most of the times, apart from suggestions, around 550 plus videos of content and SAP SD S4 HANA, including suggestions, tips, and apart from my Udemy courses. Okay, I have finished 580 plus videos. There is nothing wrong the way I'm doing. Probably, like whatever the videos I'm doing, it might be helpful to some people. Okay, some people react, some people don't react, some people like, some people don't like. It doesn't matter. When I come out, I'm fully out for you. I will helpful you specifically on SAP SD and S4 HANA. Don't worry. Okay. I'll try to add my experiences. That's what I would like to tell you from next video onwards. If possible, I'll try to add technical. Okay. Let's see this. This is also important actually. So this is my channel. This is our channel. This is, you can say, your channel. If it is in public, if you really want it, you can subscribe. You can go through video by video, video by video. You have to learn how you can learn, repetition. Okay, practice. Learn. No, someone is coming in YouTube for not only me, any other person. Pick that knowledge. Sink here. If you really wanted to become a consultant. Okay. So this is my channel. You can subscribe it. Apart from that, I am having 4,266 students. I'm proud to say that this is my SD course. 103 hours of content apart from pricing. If you wanted to see pricing, this is the course where, this is my dream topic. I have done at advanced level also. This is rocking course. If you already have something, an SD standard, entire thing you can get it in this course with slides and with presentation, proper presentation. That's why it is highest rated course. It is going to be the rocking course because I got inspired. See, I have a madness of pricing actually. I wanted to do pricing. So, but I have that knowledge I absorbed, I would like to utilize in real time. So probably, some people are lucky, some people are sometimes not lucky enough to utilize their knowledge. So at least share it. That's why I'm giving for this cheap prices. So not for money, I'm just transferring my knowledge actually. Before leaving the industry, I don't want to keep anything with me. I just wanted to, this is my serious thing. At least if it is not useful, it should be useful to others actually. I'm just giving all knowledge wherever it is possible actually. Okay, you can try my courses. That's what it can give inspiration. Okay, never underestimate if you are beginner than this course. And what I would say, if you go back specifically real time idoc training, these two specifically, I'm telling you, my friend, again and again, based on my experience. So if you listen my lifetime story, the struggles, you will cry actually. So no one will give you the knowledge like this on a Udemy forum. Not only me, any consultant, you should respect it. Okay. So instead of rating us, learn and rate yourself. That should be, ladder to your success to reach the peaks actually. Okay. Okay. Sometimes I fumble. I'm Indian. I'm not that much perfect in my English. That's okay. Move on. Learn the things from me from tomorrow onwards. I'll try to add my experience where I failed and how I turn back. Okay. Let's catch up tomorrow with fresh video. Jai Bharat always.